Friday, May 8th, 2026. Focus. This is my commandment, that you love one another as I have loved you. Two friends stopped speaking to each other after a minor misunderstanding. Yet, as days turned into weeks, the silence between them grew heavier. One day, one of them noticed the other struggling to carry a pile of books. After a moment's hesitation, he stepped forward to help. No words were exchanged, but that small act broke the wall between them. Later, an honest conversation followed, and the friendship that seemed lost was slowly restored. Love was shown not through perfect understanding, but by a simple, helpful action. Jesus does not request, He commands us to act as He did. Loving one another does not mean waiting until we feel ready or until others deserve it. It means choosing kindness over pride, forgiveness over resentment, and compassion over indifference. Often, love begins with small gestures, a listening ear, a helping hand, a gentle word that opens the door to healing and reconciliation. Saint Mother Teresa reminds us, not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. When we live Jesus' commandment, even in simple, everyday ways, we become signs of God's presence in the world. In choosing to love one another, we allow His love to flow through us, bringing light, hope, and healing into ordinary moments. Fruit. I shall look out for opportunities to be kind, forgiving, and understanding every day.